All right, so here's question number 21 on the handout here. This is pre-calculus 30. We are proving trigonometric identities here. Another example, here's number 21. Okay, so as we saw in question number 20, our previous video, in the numerator here, this is the most complicated side for sure. And so what we're going to do is we're going to focus on this side. And because there's no common factor in all three, we can't pull a common factor out. So let's write three separate fractions here. And the reason why we're going to do that is because when we take each of these individually, we're going to be able to do some maybe some cancellation, or dividing out. Like this one, we can simplify that pretty easy. Cos theta over cos theta, that one's pretty easy. That's going to change to 1 pretty quick. And sine theta over cos theta is going to be, well, that's turned into tan, and that's good because that's what we want on the other side. So this is all looking pretty good so far. Okay. Now, if we simplify this, that comes to cos squared theta. If we simplify this, that comes to 1. And if we simplify this, this is tan theta. Now, where did I get all that from? Well, you should have an idea of where this came from. So I'm just going to move this over. Because over here, let's see. Well, this one is 1. This one is cos squared. That's no problem. But sine over cos, well, I see sine over cos over here, and that equals tan. Okay, that's where I got this one from. Now, cos squared minus 1 is, I'm going to be able to use this identity right here. So cos squared minus 1. Now, this one's a bit tricky because cos squared, okay, watch this. Cos squared, if I bring the 1 over here, that makes it minus 1. And if I take the sine over there, that makes it negative sine squared x, okay? So cos squared minus 1 is different than 1 minus cos squared, but it's kind of the same, but it's opposite sign, okay? So cos squared minus 1 is similar to 1 minus cos squared, except instead of being sine squared, it's negative sine squared. So this is negative sine squared, and this is theta here, plus tan theta. And of course, we just simply rearrange that side, and we have tan theta minus sine squared theta, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, so little bit of a tricky thing here with this, right? And again, cos squared theta minus 1, that's not quite the same as 1 minus cos squared theta. It's similar, but you have to add a negative there to make that equal.